Once again, good morning. Today we will do the page number 58. So please, all of you open page number 58. I think you have completed page number 56. It means chapter number 3 you have completed now. All of you. Chapter number 3
Yes, sir.
completed. You want to
No,
once.
sir.
Okay, you want to once again repeat.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if any students not completed, once again I am repeating chapter number 3. So do it fast. Okay. Open all of you page number
Yes, sir.
56 and check yourself. Then we will do the chapter evaluation sheet, chapters 3 and 4, and evaluation sheet chapter 1 to 4. Okay. Now page number 56, question number 1. Tick the correct answer. Okay, tick the correct answer. Wait a minute.
Page number
Page number 56.
56.
This one is see, and also showing in your computer screen and your mobile screen. Okay. A number a computer system requires. I think this one is not. See, smart learning. The change in the text and page layout are called. Give the answer fast.
Formatting.
Formatting. Yes.
Formatting.
Answer is the formatting. To change the text and page layout are called formatting.
Formatting.
Okay. Now the font tab is present. Page number 56. The font tab is present in Home tab. Answer is the 3.
Home tab.
The font size is measured by points. Also in short PPT. Okay.
Point.
Number C. Answer is the 3. Control plus R is used to align the text. Right. Number 3. Control plus R is used to align the text right side. And
insert tab.
Insert.
Clip art option is present in the insert tab. Yes.
Insert tab.
And numbering buttons are present in bullet
Home tab.
Home tab. Good. Completed. One number is the 2 answer. Number B answer is the 3. Number C answer is the 3. Number D answer is the 3. Number E answer is the 2. Number F answer is the 2. Completed. Now next. Fill in the blanks. MS Word is the
Application software.
Word processing software.
okay. MS Word is a word processing software. Okay.
Application format.
Both is the right answer. Both is the right answer. Okay. Word processing software, application software. Dash means to make the change in the text and page layout.
Formatting.
Formatting. Good. Formatting. Wait a minute, please. Now next. Dash is the style of writing the text.
Font.
A font is the style.
Font. Dash is a dot or symbol that emphasizes an important line of the information.
Bullets.
Bullets. You can type the text in different style using
Font.
Format.
font. A table is made up of
Rows and columns.
Row and columns.
Row and column.
Column.
Okay. Completed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Answer A is the word processing or application. Both are the right answer. Number B, formatting means to make the change in the text and page layout. Number C, answer is the font. Number D, answer is the bullets. Number E, answer is the font. Number F, answer is the row and column. Now I am moving on the next exercise, page number 58. Okay, page number 58. Next, today will the chapter. Next is the evaluation sheet. Today will done. Okay. See this one. Where is it? ये page number 58 I think. Okay, page number 58. नहीं. Wait
सर
a
ये
minute.
नहीं है.
So, page number 58, educational sheet practice paper.
Wait a minute. This one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where is my evaluation sheet? Now see. मेरा सिस्टम कहाँ चला गया? Now see. Next is chapter number 3 and 4. Formative assessment 2. Number 1, a computer system requires both. What is the answer? Dash as well, dash maintenance.
Internal and
Internal and
external.
external.
Yes,
Sir,
internal,
internal and external.
internal and external, right?
External.
Add it fast, all of you, please. A computer system requires both internal as well as external maintenance. Now, number B. The moral enemies of PCs are dust and moist. Okay. Number B answer is the dust and moist. Dust and moist. Okay. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Now number C.
Yes.
Always dash the trash and unnecessary file from the system. Number C, always dash the trash and unnecessary files from the system. Tell me what is the answer. Disk cleanup. Okay.
Yes.
Disk cleanup. Next, dash is a program that rearranges the files stored. Number D. Answer is the defragmentation. Defragmentation. Number E. Dash means making change in the text and page layout document. Give the answer, please.
Sir, formatting.
Good. Formatting.
सर कौन सा चैप्टर है?
Page number 58. This is the evaluation sheet and formative assessment. Page number 58. Now, number 8. The text size in a document is measured by. Give answer fast. Mitali, Vaishnavi.
Sir, points.
Points. Good. Points, not fonts. The text size is document is measured by
Points.
points. Dash means adjusting the text around the objects. Dash means adjusting the text around the object. Wrapping text. Wrapping text. You can resize the image, okay? Increase and decrease. WRAPING. Okay, answer is the WAP. WRAPING, wrapping text. Okay. Now, ready-made image can be inserted in a document through
Clip art.
yes, clip art.
Sir, WRAPPING wrapping test.
Clip art.
Yes, WRAPPING wrapping test. Yes. Wrapping text. Completed, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now next, this one is the write a short note on maintenance of the computer or use formatting in a document. You have to write the short notes about the maintenance of the computer, okay, and use of formatting in a document. You will done yourself this one, okay.
Yes, sir.
Now next, page number 59. Evaluation sheets, summative assessment 1, chapter 1 to 4. Okay. See, printer and speakers are the.
Sir, output devices. Sir, output devices.
Printer and speaker are the output devices, right? Tick. B, F1, F12 are the dash keys.
Function.
Function key, good. Print F1 to F12 are the function key. The OS in which icons are used instead of writing a command. This is OS in which icons are used DOS instead of writing a command. Not Windows. Windows is the GUI operating system. DOS, DOS operating system. Okay.
देखो
सर सी
And-
नंबर का क्या होगा?
Which number?
सर सी नंबर.
C number 2, DOS. See in your computer screen. Already taken.
Yes, sir.
Now number D. An output display on paper through a printer is called.
Hard copy.
Yes, hard copy. An output displayed on paper through a printer is called hard copy. Jalas Kumar, put your mic in mute mode. The program used to recover the lost space is
Defragmentation.
defragmentation. Yes, number one. Key number answer is the one, defragmentation. The program used to recover the lost space is defragmentation. Now number 8. The part of a computer that becomes dirty fast is which one?
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Keyboard, yes.
Keyboard.
The part of a computer that becomes dirty fast is keyboard. Now number G. The B, I, U option are present in the
Sir,
Home
insert
tab.
tab.
भी टाई लगेगा home tab.
The home tab.
Yes, home tab. The B, I, U option are present in the home tab. Completed?
Yes, sir.
You want to repeat or not?
Last H number.
Wait. Number A answer is the 2. Number B answer is the 3. Number C answer is the 2. Number D answer is the 2. Number E answer is the 1. Number F answer is the 1. Number G answer is the 3. Okay?
Sir, H number is
Wait a minute. I know. The change in the text and page layout are called
formatting.
formatting. The changes in the text and page layout are called formatting. Now next is a match the column A with column B. Now hard disk match with the number 4, a storage device. Okay? Hard disk match with the storage device. Hard disk is a storage device. Okay? Now, number B, volatile memory. Which one is the volatile memory? RAM or ROM?
RAM.
RAM is a volatile memory, and ROM is the non-volatile memory. Linux. What is Linux? Tell me. Linux is a example of the operating system. Okay? Linux is an operating system. Are you listening? Your voice is not coming. Wait a minute. Now my voice is coming or not? Your voice is not coming. Now next, let's leave it. Now number E, virus. Virus is the number 7. Answer is the number 7. Virus is the answer is the number 7. Destruction program. Destruction program. Now number F. Answer is the word art tool. It means 2 number. Number F. Now number G, increasing font size is the control plus E. Okay. Now my voice is coming or not? But your voice is not coming. Now number H, center alignment. Center alignment is the, wait a minute. Increasing font size is the control plus this one, number 1, and center alignment is the number 3. And hard copy is the printer. Now once again, number A answer is the 4, number B answer is the 6, number C answer is the 8, number D answer is the 4, number F answer is the 2, number F answer is the 2, number G answer is the 1, number H answer is the 3. Completed all of you? Type the message you have completed or not. Type the message. Okay. Now next. Next, this one is the fill in the blanks. Fill it fast. Number 1, a dash program used to recover the lost hard drive space. A dash program used to recover the lost hard drive space. Answer is the defragmentation, right? Defragmentation, all of you. Defragmentation. Defragmentation. Now number B. Dash and dash are the parts that computers become dirty fast. Keyboard and mouse. Okay. The keyboard shortcut to right align the text is Control plus R. Okay. The font group is present in the next, the font group is present in the Home tab. The font group present in the Home tab. Okay. The dash component used to enter data are called input device. Hardware component. Answer is the hardware. Hardware component used to enter data are called input device. Dash transfer electric energy to different components in system unit. Dash transfer electric energy to different component is the answer is the SMPS. What is the full one of the SMPS? Switch mode power supply. Switch mode power supply. Okay. Now number G. The main job of an OS is to organize and control. Organize and control. Organize and control. Okay. The main job of an OS is to organize and control hardware and software. The dash operating system is used to control complex system. Which operating system is used to control the complex system? Type RTOS, operating system used to control the complex system, real time. Okay. Now this one is completed. You have write this one, define cell. What is the cell? What are the different type of the alignment buttons? There are 4 types of the alignment buttons: left, right, center, and justify. Name 2 moral enemies of the PC: moist and dust. Name the program that rearrange the files. Defragmentation. Write the full form of RAM and ROM. What is the full form of the RAM? Random access memory, and ROM is the read-only memory. Name any 2 output device. They are the speaker and printer is the output device. Name the component of OS. You have to write the component of the OS like the ALU and CU. These all are the component of the OS. Name any 2 devices other than computer that need OS. Name any 2 devices other than computer that need OS. Like keyboard and mouse, you can say. Okay. Now completed all of you. Type the message because your voice is not coming to me. I think there are some technical problems. That's why your voice is not coming to me. Okay. Okay. Good. Once again repeating. Number A answer is the defragmentation. Number B keyboard and mouse. Number C control plus R. Number D home tab, number E, hardware, number F, SMPS, number G, organize and control, number H, RTOS, real time. Okay. Okay, class. This one is completed. Next class, we will start the chapter number 5. I think this your half yearly syllabus will completed when this chapter will completed. Starting MS Excel. Clear? So please all of you read your home. Starting MS Excel chapter number 5, given page number 61. Okay, and I maybe day after tomorrow you will got your written work. Okay, day after tomorrow you will got your written work. So today enough for today. Okay, so read your home, starting MS Excel at your home. I think you learned about the MS Excel little bit in the previous class. What is MS Excel? MS Excel is the spreadsheet program. Well, class, now thank you. We'll continue the next class. Thank you and bye. Okay.